Affordable dental crowns, Turkey's competitive advantage. Dental crowns are a popular dental procedure that can help restore the appearance and function of a damaged tooth. However, the cost of this treatment can be quite high in many countries, making it out of reach for some patients. Turkey has emerged as a popular destination for affordable dental crowns, attracting patients from all over the world. In this article, we will explore Turkey's competitive advantage in providing affordable dental crowns. Cost comparison. One of the main reasons why Turkey has become a popular destination for dental crowns is the cost advantage it offers. The cost of dental crowns in Turkey is significantly lower compared to many Western countries, making it an attractive option for patients looking to save money on their dental treatment. In addition to the lower cost, the quality of dental care in Turkey is also on par with international standards, making it a reliable and affordable option for patients seeking dental crowns. Quality of care. Despite the lower cost, the quality of dental care in Turkey is not compromised. Many dental clinics in Turkey are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and employ highly skilled and experienced dental professionals. Patients can expect the same level of quality and expertise as they would receive in their home country, but at a fraction of the cost. This combination of affordability and quality has made Turkey a top choice for patients seeking dental crowns. Convenience and comfort. In addition to the cost advantage, Turkey also offers convenience and comfort to patients seeking dental crowns. Many dental clinics in Turkey are located in popular tourist destinations, making it easy for patients to combine their dental treatment with a relaxing vacation. Patients can enjoy the beautiful scenery, rich history, and vibrant culture of Turkey while undergoing their dental procedure. This unique combination of dental treatment and vacation has made Turkey a popular choice for patients looking to improve their oral health while enjoying a memorable travel experience. Professionalism and expertise. Another competitive advantage of Turkey in providing affordable dental crowns is the professionalism and expertise of its dental professionals. Turkish dentists are known for their high level of training and specialization in various areas of dentistry, including cosmetic dentistry. Patients can trust that they are in good hands when seeking dental crowns in Turkey, as the dentists are highly skilled and experienced in performing this procedure. This level of professionalism and expertise is a key factor in Turkey's reputation as a top destination for affordable dental crowns. Patient experience. The patient experience in Turkey is another factor that sets it apart as a competitive destination for dental crowns. Many dental clinics in Turkey offer personalized care and attention to each patient, ensuring that their individual needs and concerns are addressed throughout the treatment process. Patients can expect to receive top-notch service and support from the moment they contact the clinic to the completion of their dental crowns. This focus on patient experience has earned Turkey a reputation as a patient-friendly destination for dental treatment. Overall, Turkey's competitive advantage in providing affordable dental crowns lies in its cost advantage, quality of care, convenience and comfort, professionalism and expertise, and patient experience. Patients seeking dental crowns can benefit from the lower cost without compromising on quality, making Turkey an attractive option for those looking to improve their oral health. With its beautiful landscape, rich culture, and top-notch dental care, Turkey has solidified its position as a top destination for affordable dental crowns.